Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We have one of our bestseller product magic wheel and we already have three types of magic wheel. There is a soft, medium and hard grit of magic wheel and each one is giving a different result. Even they are selling really good, they are our products in stock for long years. You were asking us for a new version of magic wheel and today it's ready. Welcome to meet the new version of magic wheel with full real diamonds on it. This is the full diamond magic wheel. You can see that the new version is covered with real diamonds. There are almost 200 diamonds set by hand. These are a bit brownish diamonds, but they are exactly same size as we are using in jewelry. And that big size give a really shining and hard grit effect. Let's try the full-size diamond on several rings. We make several models so you get the idea of our new magic wheel product, how it will look like on the rings or different jewelry pieces. We created three models. One is basic so you can see the effect clearly. Second one has borders on it and third one we made more like a finished model. You can see detailed all the surfaces. It's much more thick comparing to our standard magic wheel. Because of the big diamonds on it, we are having a really deep and even more shiny effect on our rings. Full diamonds result is on my hand and let's make a sample for you with a standard magic wheel so you can see the difference. You know, the magic wheel is a really quick process. It just takes a few seconds. We are using it especially on rings, but you can also use our magic wheel, full diamond magic wheel, all magic wheel series also on Bengal. Let's get aside our different samples. On your left side you see our standard magic wheel, the medium size, the most popular size. It's more smooth. And on your right side you can see my three samples made with full diamond magic wheel. If you get a close look you can see that it's more rough and it's having more shine. There are small shiny dots on it. We use our Bulunmaz lathe machine. That's a really compact product that you can use. You can combine different diamond tools and you can make lots of different ring designs. We demonstrate you our standard magic wheel product, smooth, medium and rough size. And finally we just show you our new model of magic wheel, the full diamond magic wheel. Because of the really big size diamonds on my full diamond magic wheel, the design is much more rough and much more shiny. You can even see small dots on my ring shining like stars. So finally we have a fourth version of our legendary magic wheel product. If you wanna know more about our jewelry lathe machine, learn more about our different size, different shape of magic wheel product and the new one, I'm putting the links below. There are many other videos on our YouTube channel, or you can have a check on our website at www.bulunmaz.com and learn more about our products and directly place an order. I hope you like our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because more videos like full diamond magic wheel and other products will be here on this YouTube channel every Friday. Thank you very much for your time. See you again in the next videos.